When it comes to creating video advertisement on social media, the first 3 seconds are the most important to capture the attention of your potential customers. If you are looking to create video advertisement on social media, whether it is for lead generation or creating brand presence, you are in the right place. I will provide a concise guide and tools to help you get started. But if I ever miss anything or are there parts that you are not so sure of, feel free to leave a comment. I will respond as soon as possible. Here's a quick intro about myself. I'm Ali, a video director, screenwriter, editor, and marketer based in Malaysia. Over the past 5 years, I've had the privilege of helping visionary leaders to discover and tell their stories through video. My mission is simple: to bring their brand concepts to life and connect them with the right audiences. I've worked with 15 different industries and generated millions in revenue through the power of video marketing. So first step, brand your business and solution. The first step to branding your business is to reflect on why did you started it in the first place. If your answer is to make money, then you can dig deeper. Why did you choose this particular industry? What makes it meaningful to you? This clarity will form the foundation of your brand. I have a book here called John 10:10 Live View. So it's a proven tool, method, and system that can measure, define, and transform your life. And it is written by a public listed company strategy consultant called Joash Chi. So inside this book, you will get to explore why you are doing what you are doing. It will help you to answer the questions that are just given to you. If you are able to answer these 2 questions, then congratulations, because you now have a brand purpose. Florence started her confinement center because of a personal experience that many mothers can relate to. After giving birth, she went through the pain of breast engorgement, when your breasts become hard, swollen, and feel like stones. That struggle inspired her to create a space where new moms could experience confinement like a holiday. No pain, just relax. And we put that story into the video. Next step in branding your business, paste your brand purpose into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate you your brand vision, mission, and core values. Look at the answers given by ChatGPT, whether they feel true to you. If not, just tell ChatGPT, how do you want to change your answers? If you have completed these, congratulations! You now have a brand direction. And if you have realized by now, what you just did was also part of your brand strategy. But there's still more to a brand strategy. I've also provided a link to a video shared by an international strategy consultant who works with world-renowned brands and governments. In his video, you will learn more about brand strategy. Now, the next step in branding your business is positioning your brand on social media. Positioning is actually part of your brand direction, but I want to emphasize it more here because it's crucial to make your video advertisement stand out. To do this, you will need to do some research. Search for your competitors' Facebook pages using your own Facebook account. Find those who are already doing a good job in their marketing and see what kind of values and messaging they are proposing to their target audience. Then go back to your Facebook homepage and you will start seeing ads from other competitors. Do the same research with these ads. You'll get a clear picture of what their messaging looks like. You can also look at the reviews, the comments left at their Facebook ads, because this will give you a clear picture of what are some of the concerns of the customers when it comes to your type of solution, your type of product, your type of service. So you can get more perspective towards positioning your brand on social media. Now, look at your own business and identify what sets you apart. What are your strengths? These could be things like number of years in the industry, your speed of delivery, your technology, customer reviews, your unique recipe, or even something your competitors are not talking about. These are the strengths you can highlight in your video advertisement. Just like my client Ronan, who owns a durian cake business. We branded his durian cake using his name Ronan, Ron.
Ron's durian cake.
and use the positioning statement.
Ron's durian cake is the most original durian cake in Malaysia.
We made this video 3 years ago, and now they have been using the same video continuously for their video advertising. Just imagine one video bringing you continuous customers and reminding them to come back. Why does positioning works? It's because you are linking a unique aspect of your solution to the minds of your target customers. For example, when people think of durian cake, in their minds, they will start to make neural connections to the best ones by linking their desire, their need, to a benefit they will get. And they remember
Ron's durian cake.
because we have communicated a unique benefit which we have used.
Most original durian cake in Malaysia.
Before actually buying the product, they have actually rehearsed their mind eating the product, consuming the product, which is fully natural, which we use premium ingredients, which we cared about the children and also the seniors' health. The psychology principles in play here are primacy effect and novelty effect. Primacy effect. People tend to remember the first piece of information they encounter about a category or a topic. Novelty effect. Humans are naturally drawn to new and interesting ideas, especially when the novelty aligns with their needs or desires. By presenting something novel yet relatable, you create strong emotional and cognitive connection. Now you have it. Your brand direction is completed. And if you like to deepen your knowledge on brand strategy, visit Karthik's YouTube channel from time to time. Congratulations on completing your brand direction, your brand strategy part. Now, this is the final part, which is creating your video advertisement. First, prepare a script. Start with a 3-second attention-grabbing hook.
NANI? Ron's durian cake. Do you love durian?
有請我哋下一位食神。
呢煲係
好难记，安然销魂入骨茶。如果找了很久，还是找不到自己喜欢的衣橱款式还有颜色。
Remember these 2 principles. The first one, pattern interrupt. Imagine your customers scrolling through social media and what stops them from keep scrolling. Number 2, people love novelty, but they are afraid of the unknown. Do not use pain points because we have been exposed to many advertisements already. So, what you want to do is, after that 3 seconds, go straight into the name of your solution, combined with your positioning statement.
Nice to meet you. I'm Auntie Helen. Hiya, just go to
Sentai has every kitchenware you need to cook your perfect dish. We are Sentai. We have 7 years of experience in one-stop kitchen setup solution.
Now, share your purpose story in a concise way. Me myself, I have experienced stone milk during my confinement period. It was really painful. So when I started entrepreneurship, I founded Santorini Confinement Center to make confinement feel like a holiday. Then, jump into how it works. Show the B-rolls, demonstrate. The important thing is to demonstrate how your solution works. Let your potential customers or the target audience imagine what results they could get from using your solution.
dining area， 妈妈们可以选择在 dining area 享用美食，或者是把食物送到房里。
Whether you want to fry or grill, boil or bake, cut or serve, at Sentai, you can slowly shop, slowly choose until you find your perfect kitchenware.
So if you have testimonials, insert it after the benefits to back up what you have just said, the benefits that you have just mentioned. Don't forget to add your vision here. This gives your target audience a bigger picture of what they could be in. Let them be the hero. Let them be part of the movement. Now, ask them to take action immediately by highlighting your promotion and the limitation of your production capacity. How much business can you actually handle in that particular month? Do not simply write something like 30 spots left, because consumers have already been through a lot of advertisements. Just tell the truth of your limitation on your production capacity. Finally, end with your slogan or tagline of your company, your product, your solution, or your service. Finally, you have successfully created your video advertisement. A heartfelt message here: if you truly follow the steps in my video, you can really create a good and effective video to market your business, to get customers, to gain brand awareness. Because this is already a proven formula which have worked in 15 industries and have created millions in revenue. After you have created the video, the next question you might have is, how can I run traffic on this video? How can I get more people to see this video? It is at this time you will need advertising on social media. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you can find the next video easily. And if you like this video, you can show me your support by giving me a thumbs up. I'm Ali from Coopers. Share your story, light the hearts. See you next time.